sword, and the sword is the symbol of courage. The warriors is also given some handful of raw and uncooked rice as a symbol of protection. The shield that they carry represents or symbolizes the warriors as a protector of the motherland, the clans, and a house. The bow that they carry represents a sign or show the strength that the warriors has to carry on the shoulder. It is to be noted that each of these items are being handled meticulously. rejuvenate their body and soul. After all the cleansing and cleaning, the women then apply oil on the warrior's forehead as a sign of appreciation on the part of the victorious ones to thank them for protecting their motherland and family. On the part of the non-victorious warriors, it is applied as a sign of motivation and hope to do better in the next one. Then the male warriors turn or face backward from the woman, and the woman sprinkles some uncooked rice at the male warrior. Rice in the Khasi culture represents not only the staple, but also a sign of strength and a symbol of bad omens and spirit. And in this case, it does both the job of wheel of bad spirits and omen. And it protects the warriors from hunger and for staying away from home for so long. Lastly, the woman gives the warriors some betel nut and leaves known as ukwai utampo to eat, and this is to symbolize respect on the part of a woman to the warriors who did not shy away from protecting the land, their clans, and their family. This form of dance or the Shathma shows the skill warfare of the Khasi and how it's done traditionally, seeking